Well, we have some piece of important breaking news for you. Unidentified miscreants attack on BJP's Lakhisarai candidate, also the Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar, Vijay Kumar Sinha. His convoy has been attacked, is what we understand. Remember, Lakhisarai also is voting today. Voting is underway. Vijay Kumar Sinha comes from the powerful Bhumihar community, and this is one constituency where there was the Bhumihar versus Bhumihar fight that is underway. Now, unidentified persons have attacked on the convoy of the Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar, Vijay Kumar Sinha. We are awaiting more details, but as of now, what we understand is that Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar, his convoy, Vijay Kumar Sinha's convoy, has been attacked, and he's also the BJP's candidate from Lakhisarai. And what we understand is that his convoy has been attacked. Mr. Sinha has been a seasoned BJP leader. He has also been the Assembly Speaker and in the past, and more importantly, he's the Deputy Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, of Bihar right now. He's seen as Prabhakar joins us with more details on this. Prabhakar, what do we know about this attack on the convoy of Vijay Kumar Sinha?
See, it's basically not an attack, but Vijay Sinha is a candidate from Lakhisarai, and he was touring his constituency while the voting was going on, as all the candidates do. So his convoy was basically stopped by a group of protesters who had a local issue and they were protesting on it. Now Vijay Sinha is alleging that it was actually planned and executed by the RJD workers, and he calls it an attack. But when we had a word with the local police over there, they're saying that it's not at all an attack. It's basically a protest by people, and nobody has been injured, or for that matter, nobody has been beaten up or injured in any of these. So it was not a clash at all. It was basically the convoy being forcefully stopped by the villagers over their local issues. There were some issues on which they were demanding. They had also boycotted the polls, and they saw the Vijay Sinha's convoy passing through, and they immediately stopped that convoy.
Prabhakar, help us understand the political significance of Lakhisarai, because this is the constituency of the Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar, Vijay Kumar Sinha. And Vijay Kumar Sinha has also been the Speaker, he's been the leader of opposition, and he was competing with Suraj Kumar of the Jan Swaraj Party and also Congress candidate Amrish Kumar. So in some ways it's being seen as a Bhumihar versus Bhumihar fight. But was there a sense of anti-incumbency against him, because he's also been holding on to this post for the last 3 terms?
Talking about the Lakhisarai as a constituency, it is a Bhumihar dominated constituency, so you will see the Bhumihar candidates from all the factions actually into the fray. As far as Vijay Sinha's political stature in Bihar is concerned, he is the Deputy Chief Minister. He has been the Speaker of Bihar State Assembly, and Vijay Sinha has been quite popular over there. But this particular contest, the 2025 contest in Lakhisarai, is a fierce contest because you have a strong contender as far as the Jan Swaraj candidate is concerned. So it's a triangular contest over there. It's a tough battle he's facing. And today, when his convoy was actually passing through that particular village where the villagers were protesting and they had the local issues, they were protesting over the local issues, Vijay Sinha's convoy was passing through it, and they stopped his convoy in order to protest. So Vijay Sinha claims it was basically a attack on his convoy, but it was not at all an attack because police has categorically denied this.
Right. Thank you, Prabhakar, for joining us with those details. Vijay Kumar Sinha, looks like his convoy in some ways was attacked by unidentified persons. He was seeking a 4th term from the constituency of Lakhisarai. Lakhisarai, a politically important constituency carved out from Munger a few years ago. Let's also take a look at what really happened.
इसी गांव में वो समुच्चा भीड़ आगे आ रही है, आप स्पेशल फोर्स भेजिए, हम यहीं धरना पर बैठेंगे। ये गुंडा राज को स्थापित प्रशासन, यहाँ का एसपी इतना कमजोर कायर है, आके बूथ पर कहता है कि शांतिपूर्ण, जब उम्मीदवार को उप मुख्यमंत्री को घुसने नहीं दे रहा है गांव में, सारा गाड़ी पर पत्थर और गोबर फेंका है। ये गुंडा राजद का गुंडा है और सत्ता में आए बिना इसके गुंडे देख लीजिए कि बिहार के उप मुख्यमंत्री को बाहर जाने के लिए किस तरह से विरोध प्रदर्शन कर रहा है। बूथ पर मेरे पोलिंग एजेंट को सुबह में ही 6:30 बजे लौटा दिया, धमकी देके वोटर को निकलने नहीं दे रहा है। गाड़ी पर पथराव किया है, पूरा देखिए गाड़ी घिनाया, गोबर उबर सब फेंका है। चप्पल फेंका है, जूता फेंका है। इस तरह के गुंडा राज और यहाँ का एसपी इतना कायर कमजोर है, आके कहता कि शांतिपूर्ण मतदान हो रहा है। धिक्कार है इससे प्रशासन को।
But Prabhakar joins us. Prabhakar, strong words being used by the Deputy Chief Minister, and he's saying that law and order, he will sit on a dharna if forces are not sent to him. Help us understand. And also, is Lakhisarai completely a rural constituency? How is it politically significant for the NDA?
It is indeed a rural constituency, but the very ironical fact about this whole episode is that here is a Deputy Chief Minister of the state who is the Deputy Chief Minister, so he is supposed to be the second most powerful man in the state. And he is making allegations against his own SP. This is very ironical, very actually something which people would laugh about. So, and he is making allegations, serious allegations against the Superintendent of Police of Lakhisaray. Lakhisaray, geographically speaking, is a very small district, but politically it is significant. It's supposed to be a den of Bhumiyas, and Bhumiyas are the dominant caste out here. They are the militant caste, I would say, the forward community. And Lakhisaray, and this guy Vijay Sinha has been representing Lakhisaray for 3 terms, that is around 15 to 20 years. He has been politically very active. Now on the polling day, he is making a serious allegation against the administration. And remember, there is a part of the very system of which he is the Deputy Chief Minister. So this is something which now the administration and also the election commission.
We have Dilip Jaiswal joining us now from the BJP, the state president. Thank you, Mr. Jaiswal, हमसे बात करने के लिए। ये बताइए कि ये जो विजय कुमार सिन्हा पे, इनकी कॉन्वॉय पे जो अटैक हुआ है या जिसकी बात हो रही है, इसके बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे? क्योंकि ये तो उन्हीं की कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी है सर, और यहाँ से वो चौथी बार जीतने की उम्मीद में थे। Okay, we will try connecting with Dilip Jaiswal in just a bit. He is from Bihar BJP, also the president of Bihar BJP. This is just to remind our viewers what really happened in Lakhisaray. Lakhisaray, a politically important constituency that was carved out from Munger district a few years ago. The Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar, NDA leader Vijay Kumar Sinha, has alleged that there was an attack on his convoy, and he has also demanded that forces be sent to him. Prabhakar is here with us. Prabhakar, you were telling us about the political significance of Lakhisaray being a rural constituency, and also the strong words that are being used by the Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar. Okay, Dilip Jaiswal is back with us. Mr. Jaiswal, ये जो अटैक हुआ है, विजय कुमार सिन्हा का कहना है कि उन पे अटैक हुआ है, उनकी कॉन्वॉय पे जो हमला हुआ है, इसके बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
देखिए, बिहार में हम लोग बार बार बोल रहे हैं कि ये जंगल राज फिर से बिहार में नहीं आए, और ये माहौल जो बिहार में राष्ट्रीय जनता दल के गुंडों के द्वारा जिस तरह का माहौल बिहार में गुंडागर्दी करके वो चाहते हैं कि सत्ता पर आ जाएं, बिहार की मतदाता कभी भी इस गुंडागर्दी को पसंद नहीं करेगी। और ये पूरे बिहार के मतदाता समझ रहे हैं कि राष्ट्रीय जनता दल यानी ये लोग फिर से बिहार में जंगल राज पार्ट 2 लाएंगे। और सभी जगह, ऐसा नहीं है कि एक जगह, इनके ये जो स्वभाव है इनके पार्टी के कुछ लोगों का, कि इसी तरह का काम ये करते हैं। इनका काम ही है जंगल राज, गुंडागर्दी करना। इसीलिए जो है ये पूरे बिहार की जनता और मतदाता इसका जवाब देगी। मतदाता जवाब देगी कि नहीं, किसी भी सूरत में आरजेडी और जंगल राज बिहार में नहीं आए।
राइट, मिस्टर जायसवाल, वैसे अभी तो आचार संहिता, मॉडल कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट इज इन प्लेस, इसके कारण ईसी इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर दिस, लेकिन सरकार तो आप ही लोगों की थी ना सर। तो ये जो हो रहा है, ये सारा एनकी और जो इतना सारा हंगामा हो रहा है, इसका जिम्मेदार कौन है?
लखीसराय के एसपी जो हैं, उनको इसकी जिम्मेवारी लेनी पड़ेगी, क्योंकि लॉ एंड ऑर्डर का काम तो एसपी का है। कैसे ये घटना घटा है, वहां के एसपी को ये समझना चाहिए, तुरंत इस पर ध्यान देना चाहिए।
और ये बताइए मिस्टर जायसवाल कि सुबह से जो नंबर्स आ रहे हैं, अभी तक के 42% जो वोटर टर्नआउट हुआ है, इससे आपको क्या उम्मीद है? क्योंकि लास्ट टाइम शाहबाद या मगध में आपके काफ़ी लॉसेस हुए थे भोजपुर में। इस बार क्या कोर्स करेक्शन के कारण और आपके बड़े अलायंस के कारण आपको लगता है कि बीजेपी और एनडीए को फायदा होगा?
नहीं, देखिए, शाहबाद और मगध का जो मेजर पार्ट है उसका इलेक्शन आज नहीं है, वो फेज 2 में है। लेकिन शाहबाद और मगध में इस बार एनडीए बहुत ही ज्यादा संख्या में जो है सीट जीतने जा रही है। इस बार शाहबाद मगध ही हमारा जो है फोकस पॉइंट है, और हम शाहबाद मगध में जो है पिछले बार हम 4 और बाद में 2 और इस तरह करके जो सीट हमारा कम था, इस बार हम उससे बहुत ज्यादा सीट शाहबाद और मगध में जीतने जा रहे हैं।
राइट, धन्यवाद दिलीप जायसवाल सर हमसे जुड़ने के लिए। वी ऑल्सो हैव रमन जॉइनिंग अस। रमन, व्हाट रियली हैपेंड इन लखीसराय, बिकॉज देयर आर कंट्रास्टिंग narratives here. Mr. Jaiswal feels that he was attacked, while if you look at the visuals, there seem to be there seem to be an outrage amongst common people. They seem to be shouting slogans. What really happened? What is it that you're picking up?
Yeah, well, the Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar, Vijay Sinha, was roaming in his constituency in Lakhisarai at the voting day of the first phase, and his convoy was attacked by the villagers, and stone pelting was also done over his convoy. So these are the things which is happening in the Lakhisarai district. Over the Deputy Chief Minister's convoy was attacked by some people of goons, and Vijay Sinha also said that they are trying to attack us and they are trying to bring back the Jungle Raj in Bihar. So this is what BJP is saying over the RJDs and over the mishappening which have been done in the Lakhisarai district with the Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar. Vijay Sinha also alleges on these people are the supporters of RJD, and that's why they are hitted on their convoy in Lakhisarai, while Vijay Sinha is roaming in his constituency at the voting day. So these are the allegations which has been put by the Vijay Sinha, Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar, over the mishappening was done to him at the Lakhisarai, where he is contesting from the 4th time. 3 times Vijay Sinha earlier also won the Bihar election from that particular seat, and this time he is also contesting from that particular seat, and it is the home belt of Deputy Chief Minister Vijay Sinha. But there villagers also agitating against the Deputy Chief Minister and also attacked on his convoy in Lakhisarai.
Okay, let's also listen in to reactions by the police in Bihar.
405 है, 406 जो यहाँ पर परियारी गांव है, वहाँ पर बूथ कैप्चरिंग की बात हुई थी। हमने यहाँ पर आया, देखा कि पीसफुली हो रही है। मैंने यहाँ पर जोनल जो पदाधिकारी है और सेक्टर, उनसे भी बात किया था, कहीं कुछ ऐसा नहीं अफवाह थी। तो उसी अफवाह के लेकर यहाँ पर हम लोगों ने आए हैं, तो देखे कि सब शांतिपूर्वक सब लाइन लगा के पीसफुली चल रही है।
बताया जा रहा है सर कि एक पक्ष के लोगों को वोट देने से रोका जा रहा था।
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, क्योंकि अगर ऐसा रोकता तो फिर इतना लाइन लगे हुए नहीं रहते। और आज के समय में सभी जगह फोर्स भरा हुआ है, सभी CAPF का जवान जो है हमारे हर एक बूथ पर है, तो इसमें ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। ऐसे हम लोग गांव ने अभी एरिया डोमिनेशन भी किया, फ्लैग मार्च भी किया, ऐसी कुछ बात नहीं है। सभी लोग से अपील भी किया है कि शांतिपूर्वक वोट दें।
सर, बीजेपी के पोलिंग एजेंट को शायद यहाँ पर बैठने नहीं दिया जा रहा है।
नहीं, वैसी बात नहीं है कि पोलिंग एजेंट मैं यहीं खड़ा हूँ, वो आ जाए एजेंट, उनके पूरा प्रोटेक्शन देंगे हम, लेकिन वो खुद नहीं आ रहे हैं। वो नहीं आ रहे हैं। शुरू में बिना पेपर के आए थे, तो शायद DM साहब से मेरी बात हुई थी, तो उन्होंने बताया कि पेपर नहीं, पेपर लेके आने के लिए। उसके बाद पेपर लेके नहीं आया, तो जानबूझ के नहीं आ रहे हैं।
कोई दबाव तो ऐसा नहीं?
ऐसा कुछ दबाव तो मेरे पास कंप्लेन आता, अभी तो कोई कंप्लेन नहीं आया है।
नहीं आया।
अगर कोई एजेंट खुद आके कंप्लेन करेगा तो हम कार्रवाई करेंगे। एजेंट अभी मैं बैठा हूँ यहाँ पर, मेरा पदाधिकारी है यहाँ पर, एजेंट आए कहीं कुछ ऐसा होता है, यहाँ पर सब लोग हैं, सेक्टर वाला भी है, जोनल भी है, सब लोग हैं।
ओवरऑल क्या है सर?
एकदम पीसफुल पूरे जिला में, इवन नक्सल एरिया जितने भी हैं सभी जगह पीसफुल, कहीं पर भी कोई शिकायत नहीं। दोनों विधानसभा में।
थैंक यू सर। थैंक यू।
Okay, let's go across to Prabhakar. Prabhakar, very different narratives coming in from Lakhisarai, where Vijay Kumar Sinha is saying that his convoy was attacked, but police are also saying that there's no complaint as such and that everything is going on peacefully, the voting especially in this constituency. Help us understand a little bit about Lakhisarai. Has it always been volatile? Is it known for violence? And what do you think really happened?
It has a history of violence, and geographically, if you see, Lakhisarai is an adjoining constituency from Mokama, so that entire zone, as we have been telling, is a Bhumihar-dominated area, and you have all the candidates in play from that particular community. Vijay Sinha himself is a stalwart Bhumihar leader from that particular region. He has been the member from the last 3 terms, which is re-elected for the 4th time. Now, there has been history of violence in Lakhisarai, and we have seen it in past. But in this particular incident, the violence has not happened. And that is exactly what is being reiterated by the Superintendent of Police of Lakhisaray when he says that there has been no complaint lodged because nobody has been injured, vehicles have not been damaged, and it's just that the convoy was stopped by the protesting villagers. They had their local issues. They saw the minister passing by, the deputy chief minister passing by. They wanted to stop the convoy, have a word with him, and they exactly did that. Now, ironically, the deputy chief minister of the state is making allegation and using hard words, actually, strong words.
Okay, Vijay Kumar. Okay, Okay, Vijay Kumar Sinha speaking right now. Let's listen to him.
तौर पर शिकायत भी करेंगे।
चुनाव आयोग अंदर में फोर्स दिया है, लेकिन गांव के बाहर जो रोकता है उसकी सुनिश्चितता करनी चाहिए। ये दबंगई कर करके इस तरह के माहौल खराब करते हैं।
जी, तो आप शिकायत करेंगे चुनाव आयोग को इसकी या कर चुके हैं? विजय जी, विजय सिन्हा जिनके साथ ये बदसलूकी की गई एक गांव में लखीसराय में, उन्होंने कहा कि वो
So Vijay Kumar Sinha there and okay, so those visuals coming in from Lakhisaray, a politically significant constituency that was carved out from Munger. Now the Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar, BJP leader Vijay Kumar Sinha has alleged that his convoy was attacked by RJD supporters. He has accused the RJD of having a booth capturing mindset. But police officials have said that there hasn't been any complaint yet and that peacefully voting has been underway in this constituency since morning. Raman joins us with more details on this. Raman, those visuals there are quite interesting and quite worrying, actually, because you see a group of people trying to shout slogans and they're also charging at Mr. Sinha. Mr. Sinha, of course, is very upset and he's saying that he wants forces to be there for his protection. Help us understand what really happened, because this is for the fourth term that Mr. Sinha is fighting for. This is a constituency that is known to him. It's his regular bastion. What really happened? Okay, let's go to Prabhakar now. Prabhakar, you also heard Vijay Kumar Sinha speak for a bit. Help us understand what really happened and those visuals there. How can you explain so many people, locals, are they locals who are basically shouting slogans against Mr. Sinha?
Yeah, shouting slogans, but for issues. They had their own issues. They were demanding roads. They were demanding other stuff, which it was a long pending demand of the local villagers. Now, as the cat, which is in that area, entire constituency, which all the contestants in the fray do, and he was trying to visit booth by booth. In middle of it, actually, when he was passing through this village, the locals tried to stop his convoy, and they wanted to have a word with him, which probably Vijay Sinha refused to do so. So they did not stop. They did not let his convoy actually move ahead. So that is what is being termed as attack by Vijay Sinha, whereas the police is saying that there has been no attack so far on Vijay Sinha's convoy or any of his men. There have been no injury reported and nobody has lodged a police case. So as of now, Vijay Sinha is making political allegations against the RJD workers, saying that this particular village was influenced by RJD. It was they who orchestrated this entire attack, the so-called attack on his convoy, whereas police maintains that it was just a protest by the local villagers and it has been settled for now.